Hey guys, what's up? I've got another video tutorial for you guys today, another one in the series of the Dark Knights of Steel. Today is the last bit of the armor pieces, and it is the knee pads and shin guards. This one is quite a bit shorter than the others because they're pretty simple and straightforward. We're actually almost done with this build series, and all the templates are available in my Etsy shop, link down below. Alright guys, as always, we're going to jump right into it. So here are the shin guards and the knee pads. And you'll see they already have one knee pad put together. And if it looks familiar, it's because it is basically the same design as the shoulder pad. Again, going with that consistency throughout the whole armor to really tie it all in together. These shin guards are quite simple. They're just one, well, I guess two seams. They're very similar to the gauntlets, with a difference being along this one edge is an inward angle cut, as it has been throughout the rest of the armor pieces. Again, that is just on one of the shin guards. See, this one here is a straight cut. And again, on the knee pad, just like the shoulder pad, you have an inward angle cut on this. And everything else is a straight cut with a typical undercut for the flare out. So let's go ahead and get these glued together. And you may be wondering about these lines right here. These are panel lines that I will be burning in later at the same time when I burn in the lines on the torso. So let's get these things together. Alright, and here you see they're starting off with the knee pad. I already have this center part glued together. I just started here at the top and then went my way down. And I'm going to apply glue along both of these edges here and then follow my hash marks, just working from this side all the way across to this side. Alright, so now that both my pieces have dried to attack, I'm going to start here at the end, making sure that my edges and my hash marks are lining up. And as I do this, I am folding out this one to match the shape of this. Lining up my hash marks to make it as smooth as possible. And of course, you'll have this gap from the back, you just close it. Just sink right there. And boom, knee pad. Alright, and here I have already applied glue down the center of these shin guards, waiting for them to dry, and once they do, I will put them together. Alright, now you can see I've got this glued together. You can kind of see how it's got that bevel in the front. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue part of the back. Very similar to how we did the gauntlets. I'm only gonna glue it to probably right about there. And then the strap will be back here. Alright, and here I have the full thing glued. You can see the opening here on the bottom. And I'll put some foam here on the inside, on top and the bottom, to help keep those seams together. And you can see here that while I test fit it, I put on the shoulder pad and I marked out where it would be glued at. And I'll apply my glue here in the corresponding piece on the back of the knee pad and glue it on there. And just like that, the knee is glued on, and this thing's ready to be strapped up and the lines burnt in. Alright, and there we have it. These things are all put together. The panel line is ready to be burned in. And next, we'll move on to the sword. Alright guys, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you guys like what you see, be sure to tag me and follow, like, and subscribe. You know, all the other YouTube stuff. And of course, if you use my templates and my build videos, tag me on social media. I'll have my link below. Always remember, there are no mistakes in cosplay, only battle damage. You guys have a great one.